behalf of Tourism and Travel, we'd like to thank you for choosing us to be a part of your New Zealand experience. I'm here to introduce you to your new home. So hopefully, I'm able to answer any questions you may have. If not, get in touch with us through the provided contacts. Diesel cap. To open the cap, you will need your driving key. Gently insert the key into the diesel cap and twist. When you have completed filling up your diesel, place the cap back into position and turn the key to lock. There is no people park on this camper as it is Tiptronic. To turn on the camper, you will need to leave your foot on the brake pedal and have the gear on N. Please turn the key gently to operate. On the dashboard, you'll notice a letter and a number. A is for automatic and M is for manual. You can drive for the majority of your trip on automatic, but if you plan on traveling up mountains, please switch to manual. On colder mornings, please turn the key and allow all glow plug lights to turn off before starting the engine and releasing the handbrake. Fresh water. The freshwater tank supplies water to the whole camper. This includes the sink, the toilet flush, and shower. We recommend you stop at a registered dump station every 2 to 3 days to top up your water. To fill the water, collect the garden hose from the white plastic bag or plastic container located in the storage compartment. Open the water inlet with the keys provided. Place one end of the hose into the camper and connect the other end to the water tap using the provided adapters. When the water is full, you will see or hear the overflow at the bottom of the camper. Turn off the tap and disconnect the hose. Remember to take the adapters with you. When returning your camper, the fresh water does not have to be filled. Gas bottle compartment. This camper comes with two 4 kg gas bottles that supplies gas to the stove, the hot water, and the heater. When you're needing the gas bottle, open the valve slowly and wait for a couple of minutes for the gas to flow through the pipes. This stove comes with 2 gas burners. In most campers, you must have the range hood switch on for the stove to ignite. Open the glass covering and hold the ignite button. Press the nozzles in and rotate for the flame to light up. Ensure you hold the nozzles down for a few seconds for the flames to stay on. When you're finished, press the nozzles in and rotate to the off position. Wait for the stove to cool down before closing the glass top. Power cable outlet. Simply lift the cover and insert the cable into the camper. Insert the other end of the cable into the powered site. And ensure it is turned on. When leaving, please ensure all plugs and switches are turned off and the cable is disconnected and neatly put away. In some campers, you would need to hold down the lever whilst disconnecting the power cable from the power outlet. Truma heating. If you're freedom camping, your gas bottle should be open. On the panel, you'll see some icons and a rotary button. Turn the button to gas bottle and click to submit. Rotate the button to the camper heating icon. Then you will need to rotate the dial to your desired temperature and also click to submit. If you are wanting to heat up the water, rotate the button to the hot water icon. Look for boost and allow 15 to 20 minutes for the heating process. If you are using a powered site, you will need to change the power source. Rotate the button back to the gas bottle and change it to mix 2. The heating system should work almost immediately. Grey water outlet. This tank collects the used sink and shower water. To empty, collect the thicker hose that is stored in a black bag or in a plastic container from the storage compartment. Firstly, remove the cap, then connect the hose to the grey water outlet. On most campers, you'll need to bring the 2 locking pins forward to lock the hose connection into place. Place the other end of the hose into the dump station, release the lever and let gravity do the work. When you've completed draining your wastewater, close the lever, remove the hose and place the wastewater cap back into place. Toilet cassette compartment. This should be emptied every 2 to 3 days at your registered dump station. To remove the cassette, first, you'll need to ensure that the toilet lever is in the closed position. Lift the cassette lever to release the cassette, and the top opening should automatically close. To empty the cassette, rotate the spout, unscrew the cap, and pour into the dump station. Do not empty toilet cassettes into public or campsite bathrooms. When it's clean, place it back into the compartment, making sure it clicks into place. Inside, open the toilet lever, add toilet chemical and flush it down so it's ready for you to use. Double bed. To make the bed, use the tabletop as one of your extension boards. Place the extension boards between the seats. The other board is stored underneath the cushion. Complete your bed with the bedding and linen provided, and then you're set for the night. So that's all from me. Once again, thank you for choosing us to be a part of your journey, and we hope you enjoy everything that New Zealand has to offer. Ka kite!